PharmaMax Ecosystem Development Journey started in synergy with the Make in India initiative. From facilitating investment, fostering innovation, and enhancing skill development to simultaneously protecting intellectual property and manufacturing infrastructure, we have partnered with federal government initiatives to bring in the best-in-class solutions to be leveraged by young entrepreneurial firms with the urge to deliver and mitigate the challenges of our end-pharma manufacturing. Yes, we have heard from our customers, listened to their challenges, and delivered solutions, constantly adapting to the continuous improvement life cycle techniques, bringing niche solutions and services. To foster the best inline equipment and learning process, we built multi-code reading equipment to speed up the packaging process using machine learning and AI techniques. Over 70+ validations are performed in real time without compromising throughput, ensuring the most accurate consolidated delivery to the finished goods warehouse. Serialization compliance has been expedited. Now, AI-driven equipment and software to manage and ensure the traceability guidelines of regulatory agencies are delivered with 100% accuracy. Becoming compliant with US Drug Supply Chain Security Act, DSCSA, EU Falsified Medicines Directive, FMD, Therapeutic Goods Administration, TGA, Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, Brazilian Health Regulatory Agency, and Visa, NAFDAC, Korea FDA, SFDA, Russia's Foreign Economic Activity Common Nomenclature, FACN, is the new norm for our customers. Let us ask you this: do you want us to help you mitigate your current challenges? Look no further. Check out our suite of product offerings for various processes in your critical daily activities within the pharma supply chain. Get ready to say no to violations within the process. We have them covered with complete automation. Access the latest version controls of process documents in real time and ensure you are compliant in every step you follow. Our PharmaMax ecosystem comprises the following tools that replace currently manual practices, mitigating challenges like this one from a life science industry expert who quotes, "Finding the document relevant to my requirement at any time of the day. Today, I am nothing more than a document hunter." The pharmaceutical sector is surrounded by document-related operations on many different levels that must be carried out efficiently, safely, and over the whole content lifetime. We are introducing DMS Infinity, a digitalized and document management system that optimizes the life science quality practice by ensuring that all the legacy documents are digitized in the electronic medium for easy and quick access to historical data pointers. The web-based regulatory document management system ensures consistency and compliance with standard operating procedures for managing your documentation lifecycle. Are you familiar with the GMP requirements necessary to ensure document issuance compliance? Documents must be approved, signed, and dated by the parties that are competent and authorized to do so. DIMS Powerized Documents Issuance System helps review, approve, control, and distribute standard operating procedures, STPs, BMRs, protocols, and other regulated documents. The system is designed to aid pharmaceutical organizations in achieving top-notch and stress-free global manufacturing practices and keeping accurate records in their production facilities. There is always a need to augment modifications to your document control procedures in light of learnings from continuous process improvement cycles. The PharmaMax Synergy solution helps you to customize your process for a digital experience. Create and manage your documents in real time according to the industry's best compliance practices, constantly upgrading version controls to ensure that all process improvement cycle discoveries are implemented and that your firm is 100% compliant with its manufacturing practices. Ensure patient safety by reducing counterfeit drugs in the marketplace. Learn how Track and Trace CRM can aid in tracking and traceability of any manufactured product that leaves your factory warehouse by implementing a counterfeit risk management process, a fully compliant solution per India's DGFT, US FDA's DSCSA, MHRA's FMD, Australia's TGA, and Brazil's Anvisa mandate, documented for creating parent-child relationship between the various levels of PACS. Are you aware that in the pharmaceutical industry, particularly where instrument accuracy is critical to product quality and safety, strict calibration practices are essential to ensure compliance and minimize costs associated with lost batches and potential fines? Reflection calibration and preventive maintenance. Manage all your equipment maintenance, including the management of instrument calibrations, preventive maintenance, validation, breakdown maintenance, and equipment logs. The Quality Management System, QMS, is a collection of techniques and procedures that improve the quality of products. It focuses on specific manufacturing processes and employees, preventing them from straying from quality standards like ISO and ICH Q10. QMSPARKS is a complete quality management tool used for managing compliance, facilitating the investigation of adverse events, proceeding with corrective actions, managing risk, and integrating complaint management into the quality management process. Change control is a procedure used to make sure that modifications to a system or product are made in a planned, controlled manner. CCF patrol plays an important role. In GMPX environments, pharmaceutical companies must report every change. A pharmaceutical company that strictly adheres to the policies laid down by regulatory authorities such as the US FDA and MHRA will only change any existing product after obtaining approval from the regulatory bodies. Have you considered using a structured inquiry method with the goal of identifying the root cause? According to ICH Q9, the degree of effort, formality, and documentation of the inquiry should be proportionate with the degree of risk. Our CAPA Globalist corrective action involves identifying and eliminating the root cause of a problem to prevent the problem from recurring in the future. On the other hand, preventive action involves the steps taken by an organization to avoid potential problems. The web-based approach allows CAPA planning software accessibility anywhere within the site or organization. Did you know that research has proved that employees who have received ethics and compliance training can better grasp how to abide by the law? It aids them in locating and documenting any infractions they notice. Also, they can assist in identifying potential compliance problems before a violation happens, perhaps saving their colleagues from a crisis. We have designed a utility to mitigate this challenge. Learning Path, a specially designed software for the employee training required in the pharma and biotech industry. Learning Path is an easy-to-implement software for all types of training in the company. It intends to ease the training requirements without wastage of time and resources. Learning Path is designed to manage and monitor many GMP and non-GMP training such as SOP, technical, HR, external, and research training for life sciences, pharmaceutical manufacturing, biotechnology, and CROs. Do you face challenges with your manufacturing process? Look no further. Federal is a typical manufacturing execution system designed to meet the needs of the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. Our electronic batch recording software helps record detailed manufacturing steps specific to the product. It also optimizes processes by introducing electronic work instructions, process checkpoints, mapping process activities, and effective exception handling. The software delivers paperless manufacturing by online replacing paper batch records, batch approval, and release processes. Do you have a flexible system for managing life science artwork that is intended to lower the risk of product recalls and improve pharmaceutical labeling compliance? Well, look no further. Adapt to our one-stop shop solution for creation and management using Artworks Decisions CRM is a fully compliant solution for the life science industry. The artwork management software helps regulated industries ensure regulatory compliance with their pack labels. You can enable your work tasks and collaborate efficiently, managing packaging projects involving multiple SKUs, die lines, copy text, translation agencies, prepress studios, printers, and suppliers. It ensures artwork approval by all relevant stakeholders before releasing for print. Does your quality analyst invest a lot of time ensuring that the worksheets containing the data collected and measured in the quality control laboratories are correct and reliable? LORS 360 ensures that information is dispersed across critical operational departments in the organization. These key departments include quality, production, planning, and maintenance, which help bring clarity and transparency to the entire organization's output and QC lab operations. How do you make sure that clinical and operational data is recorded, followed, and kept up to date throughout the whole drug discovery, development, bioanalytical, and manufacturing processes? LIMS Direct is a specially developed and validated software to meet standard functionality that supports the complex testing, workflow, reporting, and regulatory requirements inherent in the drug development and manufacturing process. What procedure is used to test, validate, and formally document that a regulated computer-based system performs exactly what it is intended to do in a reliable, secure, and traceable manner within your organization? CSV Infuse is an established computer validation utility that is enabled by a documented process of regulatory agencies worldwide to verify that a computerized system does precisely what it is designed to do consistently and reproducibly. It enhances the system's reliability, reducing errors and risk to process and data integrity. It also reduces long-term approach and project costs by minimizing the cost of maintenance and rework. We provide system qualification using GAMP5 practices, which include reviews of functional specifications, FS, design specification, DS, installation qualifications, IQP and IQR, operational qualification, OQP and OQR, risk assessment, traceability matrix, user training, and many other best practices. Over 200+ qualification reviews have been successfully implemented. The Food and Drug Administration (FDA) imposes strict regulations on the sale of pharmaceuticals and recommend current good manufacturing practice (CGMP) standards are what the FDA uses to regulate the industry. These requirements relate to the products themselves, the procedures, and the warehouses. We have tailored a solution SketchUp warehouse management system to ensure that the warehouse department is expertly run and managed in compliance for its company to protect and distribute a quality product. Our solutions provide the necessary functions to maintain product identity and traceability. Come join hand with Spectrum Customer Relationship Management CRM tool to streamline business processes, manage customer relationships, and reduce expenditures incurred in customer service collection. Interface your system process with HR practices like shared reports on training logs and employee equipment handling logs by adapting to HR Ambassador. It comprises of a set of practices related to people resource management that focuses on the organizational need to provide specific competencies, implemented in 3 categories: workforce acquisition, workforce management, and workforce optimization. Massive Open Online Courses MOOC is a platform model for delivering learning content online to staff who can attend various training courses and benefit from the learning like SOPs handling, etc. Legal Discovery has been built on a framework that outlines standards for the recovery and discovery of digital data, guiding and assimilating electronic data during the legal process, including criminal evidence discovery. Life sciences and pharma companies need third-party compliance programs considering the full range of risks they face. Our Risk Connect system maintains a risk registry, evaluating quantitative and qualitative risks. We check out various IoT-connected devices in this evolving functional area. Supplier Diplomat connects with various raw materials suppliers registered in our B2B suppliers directory with their products and contact details. Audit Magic is a decision-making tool that integrates with the various 483 recorded and infuses machine learning algorithms that will interface with your current systems in use and suggest or flag any viable risk factors. Referral Tracks system incentivizes customers to recommend your products. From stopping the counterfeit of your manufactured drugs to effective outreach of your drugs, we have tailored algorithms that provide useful key performance indicators. For additional support, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts are ready to handhold you as you walk the path of glory in adapting to compliance.